Hello everyone, good morning. It is 6 a.m. in the morning and I am here at Clock Tower, Dehradun. Today I am taking you to a very beautiful place. Later in the vlog you will get to know the place, what the place is and the name of that place. Definitely you will going to like it. So just keep following me in this video so that whenever you are coming to Dehradun, you can visit this place. So I am here at Clock Tower. You can see the weather conditions, fabulous. I'm loving the weather, and I am feeling fresh about this atmosphere that I have around me now. And the place where we are going is around 30 kilometers from Dehradun, and currently I am moving towards Rajpur Road from Clock Tower. I'll show you the way so that you can also come and enjoy yourselves. Stay tuned. So many dogs here. I'm here at Pacific Mall. This is Pacific Mall here. On the left, this is all Jharkhand Rajpur Road, the most favorite place of tourists in Dehradun. People are going for cycling as well. Some are running. You can see. So everybody here is a kind of not everybody, but yeah, more people are turning towards fitness these days, and it's good also. It always keeps you happy. So now I am at diversion, Masuri diversion. Straight when we go to Rajpur, and I will tell you some things about Rajpur also. But we have to take a left so that we can move towards Masuri. Straight when you go to Rajpur, and from Rajpur there is a walking trek, walking path, or you can say a trail that goes to Masuri from Dehradun. Earlier, people used to go from that route only. Now the roads have been built, the infrastructures are there, and everything is there. So people prefer to go from this side. Now we are moving towards Kothal Gate. Let me show you what Kothal Gate is. The place. Towards right we go to Rajpur, and towards left we are going to Masuri. And now I will show you the Shiv Mandir, which is very famous here. And we will take the blessings of Lord Shiva, and then we will be moving further to our journey. This is all Kothal Gate area. Monkeys are here. The roads are slippery, but the weather is good. I am loving it. Now we are at Shiv Mandir. Jai Bholenath, Har Har Mahadev, Jai Bholenath. May God bless everyone in the world. May God keep everyone happy. Jai Bholenath, Jai Shiv Shambhu, Om Namah Shivaya. I'll connect with you at the next turn. Now I am about to reach toll tax, and here the vehicles which are from outside are stopped and locals do not have to pay anything here. So we are a local and we will bypass this. I'm loving the weather here. The purest form of oxygen that you can get is at this place. And the most valuable thing and the most enjoyable thing is that you have to come here in the morning time. See, you can see these small waterfalls. People are clicking the pictures. People are loving it. They love the weather. They love the atmosphere. They love silence. Even I love peace and silence. You can see this waterfall. Wow, what a beauty! It's huge. Now this is a very crucial turn that we will get now, because from here one route will go to Masuri and one will go to JP. There is a JP hotel which is a five-star hotel here, and we have to go on that road only because I was looking for something new today. And yes, now here when you come, you will see two roads. One is going straight away to Masuri, and the other one is going right towards JP. So I'll go to the right one because I have to go to the JP road. This road is also very beautiful, very beautiful, and I like this place because not no rush is there and too much traffic is not also there. So I love this place. Here in Barloganj, we have a five-star hotel named as JP Masuri, JP Manor. So if you are coming here and you want a good stay, then you can definitely prefer this one. We have reached Barloganj and you can see the sky, the clouds in the sky. You can see very beautiful. And we have a school over here, and it's St. George's. It's a very good school, boarding school. This is Barloganj. You can see this is the market. And it's the morning time, so the people are not so active. On the left hand side, you can see it's Masuri, and when we go to the right hand side, we will move towards our destination. So we have to move upwards. You can see the roads are steep. I'm nervous but excited too. It is giving me a thrill right in my blood. I love these things, and I love these things. The roads are slippery, so please come carefully. And if you are a good rider, then only come to this place. Oh my god, the roads are very steep. Someone just said the beautiful view comes after the hardest climb. So I'm going towards a higher altitude, I guess, and I'll definitely see a beautiful place for me. Yes, this is a beautiful place. You can see, man. You can see the view over here. The sun is up, the mountains are there, the trees are there, and this silence, I love this silence. Let's see what we have on our next move. This is basically Landour area where I am right now, and very beautiful. Most, as you can see, these dogs, most of the dogs are of a breed known as Bhotia. I am here on one of the streets of Landour, and I am able to hear the chirping of the voice of different birds, parrots, which I'm not able to hear in the cities. So this is the main difference here, and this place is so peaceful, right? Let me show you. See, behind me you can see the greenery, and this is such a peaceful place. I can sit here for hours, right? You should definitely visit this. This is a very nice place. I'll show you the visuals. I can sit here for hours and do meditation maybe. Let's move forward. Let's see what we have in the next stoppage. I definitely want to have my breakfast, and let's see where we have our breakfast. I don't want to leave this place. I'm not feeling like that I should leave this, but I have to eat something as I'm feeling hungry. So let's see what's next. I am here at Landour, and you can see the view here. So beautiful, fabulous, amazing. I have no words for this location. Fantabulous. What a view. Wow. Guys, I was in Lal Tibba and I got 3 or 4 new friends with me. What's your name, brother?
My name is Kartik Rana from Saranpur.
Okay, okay, Karthik. And what's your name, bhai?
Neeraj.
Okay, Neeraj.
नीरज पेप्सू
Neeraj Pepsi.
ठीक है
And you?
हर्ष राणा
Nitin Singh Karki brother.
And me, Abhishek Malik. And I was here in Lal Tibba, and you can see the view here.
That's
The
outstanding
view is outstanding. Outstanding.
Outstanding. ये लोग भाई भी इतने एंजॉय करने के
View के
लिए
लिए आए हैं भैया।
मलिक जी ने इनको कोर्स बेचा इंग्लिश सीख रहे हैं अभी तो
नहीं नहीं यार, नहीं नहीं यार। जो अभी जो क्लाउड्स
आउटस्टैंडिंग पे बुरा ना मानियो भाई ये सीख रहा अभी ठीक है थोड़ा
क्लाउड्स के बारे में
But-
कुछ कह रहे थे आप क्लाउड्स के बारे में बताओ।
जो क्लाउड्स है अभी हमारे,
हाँ,
मतलब जो नीचे आ रखे
जो
हैं,
व्यू है, जो व्यू
जो
है,
व्यू है,
हाँ।
वो हम जयपुर में नहीं देख सकते कभी भी।
बिकॉज अब हमारा भाई जो है ना,
हमें
यार
देहरादून
हमारे
में-
भाई
भाई
जयपुर से हैं।
प्लीज फोकस, ही इज ऑल द वे
So
फ्रॉम
he's-
राजस्थान,
he's
he
comparing-
just
he's
coming here to
comparing
just see
Jaipur
this
and
view,
Dehradun.
you know, just show them, this view.
See this view.
Yeah.
यार वाकई में बहुत सही है।
Absolutely.
भाई आपसे मिलके बहुत अच्छा लगा, मतलब अच्छी वाइब्स आई आपसे मिलके, लगा के कोई है अपना
मुझे भी
बंदा।
अच्छा लगा यार आपसे मिलके ना।
सभी भाई खुश हैं। हर्षित भाई अपने बड़े भाई हैं, बहुत 5 साल बड़े हैं।
उमर में भी
नीरज भाई,
नहीं करा हमने
नीरज भाई हैं, नीरज पेप्सू भाई बॉडी में अच्छे खासे हैं। इन्होंने अभी जिम छोड़ी हुई है, इन्होंने अभी जिम छोड़ी हुई है।
100-200 काबू में ना आते थे नीरज
भाई साहब ये 300 केजी उठा देते थे,
हाँ,
डंबल प्रेस,
एक बार वहाँ नीचे पैर
बेंच
पे लड़ाई
प्रेस।
होगी।
Right now I am at Char Dukan, and now I will move forward back to Dehradun. I'll stop in between at some point. to have my breakfast because all the shops were closed there at Lal Tibba and Char Dukan. Everything was closed. All the shops were closed. So now I am going back towards Dehradun and I'll check for some good restaurant and I'll have my breakfast over there. This road is very steep and you can see this is the clock tower of Mussoorie. You can see the clock tower of Mussoorie is here of orange color. In Dehradun we have it red. So right now I am on Mussoorie Dehradun Road and the place is King Craig. This is known as King Craig and if you can see on the right hand side the road is going towards Mussoorie Mall Road and straight I am going to Dehradun. Okay, so this exact location is King Craig and as you can see that Dehradun's arrow is in the front and I am going towards Dehradun. There are two routes actually. If you want to come from JP, then you have to go to Lal Tibba, Landour, and all those places. But straight away, if you are excited to directly visit Mussoorie, then you have to take this route. This is a normally taken path that everybody takes. Every tourist comes from this road only. I didn't come from this because there is sometimes rush on this road. So I preferred that I should first go to JP, then I should go to Landour and then Lal Tibba. And I've completed all those places. I'll definitely be sharing the vlog with you guys and some pictures, of course. For now, I am just looking for some good location so that I can have my breakfast because I haven't eaten anything since morning. And there are places where landslides have taken place, so all the stones and everything that you are seeing on the way are from that reason only, due to landslides. But today the weather is clear and these roads are really very peaceful. People are coming here by cycling as well. From Dehradun to Mussoorie, people do cycling and come here. So I'll tell you each and everything now while going back. Wherever I will stop, I'll tell you, I'll make a video of it, and those videos will be uploaded on the YouTube channel. So just hold on for some time, let some good place come, and I'll share you the details of everything. I am here at Bhatta Fall and I have stopped here to have my breakfast, and the location is amazing. I'll show you. So I'll catch you later. Let my food come and I'll show you what I'm having. Stay with me. Bye bye. See, this is what I had ordered and it is ready. And see the location. The location is perfect for this kind of breakfast. And I will be seeing you in the next vlog. For now, I am closing this one. So have a great time. Bye bye. Take care.